Hello, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about 18-wheeler accident lawyer San Antonio. So let's start. First of all, we open this topic 18-wheeler accident lawyer San Antonio. Okay, San Antonio 18-wheeler accident lawyers aggressive legal representation for victims of semi-truck accidents. Have you or a loved one been injured as a result of a trucking accident? Let us help you choose an attorney for an accident at Kalfa's Law Group. We are not afraid to fight for you. The trucking industry is subject to countless regulations and laws, and our team acknowledge attorneys know how to determine who is at fault in the wake of these devastating accidents. Common causes of 18-wheeler truck accidents in Texas. Many different factors are involved with trucking accidents and proving who was at fault can often be tricky. It is essential to understand that large trucking companies likely have a strong defense on their side, which is why retaining representation in critical. Over 18-wheeler lawyers in San Antonio are willing to go up against even the largest corporations and trucking companies to ensure you have the best chance of recovering maximum compensation. A few of the most common causes of truck accidents include driver inattention, improper lane changes, brake, tire or equipment failure, drunk or drugged driver, uh, hazardous conditions, overloaded or improperly loaded cargo leading to rollover, jackknife accidents occurring as a result of trailer malfunction. Okay, so how common are 18-wheeler accidents in Texas? On any given day, you may share the road with 18-wheeler trucks, commercial trucks, typical carrying cargo, although they are trained to follow very strict rules and regulations for safety. They often fail, leading to serious accidents. We urge you to contact Kalfas Law Group PLLC to meet with one of our 18-wheeler attorneys so they can help you attain the justice you deserve. Assessing the burden of being the victim of a semi truck accident. Once you get past the initial shock of being the victim of an 18-wheeler accident, you soon realize the financial toll. Victims are entitled to compensation based on many determining factors such as lost wages from missing work due to injuries, medical bills, physical and emotional trauma, ongoing pain management, having to pay costly automobile repairs, or having to buy a new car entirely. Our lawyers will ask you four questions to get a full scope on your injuries and financial strain from your accident. We work tirelessly to get you the compensation you deserve, recovering damages for physical pain and suffering. With so many different types of vehicles on the road and varying road conditions and weather conditions, minor crashes are almost inevitable. However, accidents such as rollovers involving large trucks can leave the driver or passengers of other vehicles with life-altering injuries. People in smaller vehicles nearly always suffer insignificant damage or catastrophic injuries as a result of truck accidents and wrecks. What to do if insurance company offers you small settlement? If the insurance company or trucking company attempt to offer you a small settlement, ask to consult with an attorney. Our team of 18-wheeler accident lawyers in San Antonio is here to make sure you get most out of your case. Meet our experienced attorney prepared to fight for you. Okay, so 18-wheeler accident helps start here. Client first pay zero until you win. So let's discuss 18-wheeler truck accident lawyers. Accident involving 18-wheelers happen every day. Drivers and occupants of automobiles suffer seriously injuries and even death. The San Antonio 18-wheeler truck accident lawyers of Caribbean Shaw are dedicated to working hard on behalf of accident victim and the rights all over the Texas and Southwest. Our attorney are committed to recovering the financial compensation for anyone injured in an accident as the result of another's negligence. There are more than 4 lakh accidents involving large trucks across the United States annually, including commercial box trucks and tractor trailer combinations such as 18 wheelers, tractor trucks. According to Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, there were close to 4,000 facilitates involving large truck in 2015. Many of these 18 wheeler accidents involved passenger automobiles and motorcycles. We are also discuss about the next one is an analysis of statistical data regarding the safety performance of the United States trucking companies and secured through the motor carrier management information system reveals a disturbing trend. Over a million lines of data were reviewed in an effort to pinpoint just how many unsafe trucks might be on the road. West Virginia, North Dakota, Nebraska, Vermont, and Iowa had the highest rate of companies in violation of federal safety requirements, and the effects of these violations are deadly. In the last decades, while there has been a modest decrease in the number of deaths, an alarming increase in the number of serious injuries resulting from such as collisions. So that's how we approach our topic today, and we will discuss next in soon in your new topic. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.